a saddlebag, God's Triton saddlebag, and last time I rode my bike with this one, I have already burned this part of my bag. So if you don't want this to happen to your saddlebag, this thing might come very handy. And I'm Saikat, I welcome you to yet another unboxing video in my channel. This thing is a rear carrier frame for bikes from Royal Erado. I have got it from Amazon for about 2500 rupees. And this is the thing. This is so huge. I did not expect it to be this huge, but I think they have packaged it really well because it's a carrier frame for bike. So let's unbox it. So I have been waiting to get this for quite a long time. They have packaged this thing really well so that it might not damage in the transit. I'll show you. So this is the thing. All this stuff, all these protections and all, I'll just keep it aside. And here it is. Now this is weird because they did not provide me any screw on those Allen keys and those nuts and bolts, by the help of which I'll attach all these things to my bike, like all these frames all together, which will keep this intact to your bike. Anyway, I'll have to go to a mechanic to buy all those nuts and bolts. So I'll take this to a mechanic who will help me attaching these things, and I'll come back and show you how this looks. Now I'm wearing this because it's very cold over here, so let's just keep it aside, and you have seen the final product. I have attached it with the bike with the help of a local mechanic. One thing I need to tell you that you need to have bigger screws, because the one which comes with Himalayan will not be able to hold this thing together, because that is a smaller one, and you will be needing a bigger screw to hold this thing and attach this thing with a bike, and that's it, you will be done. So if you like this video, please give a big fat thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Till then, ride safe.